Hi guys, welcome back to Cozy Hum. Today I have a cleaning suggestion from a friend on Facebook. Her name is Dawn Bloomingcamp. I asked you guys to give her some likes down in the comment below and let her know that you are excited to see what she would like me to clean. She has sent me this thing on Facebook and it's 5 things you should clean often but you probably aren't. So I'm gonna tackle these 5 things. I have done some of these in the previous videos before, but it's always good because I tend to forget to clean things. I focus more on the stuff that's crowded around the house, like just the stuff that you notice the most, but sometimes we forget to deep clean certain items. So I'm so excited to do this one. If you guys have something you want me to clean, let me know in the comments below, or you can even Instagram me at this channel, or you can even check out my Facebook channel, and I'll leave a link below also, and you can message me through that also. So I'm excited. We're gonna start with the faucet sink, and I'm also gonna do my shower because we had noticed that the shower isn't draining properly. So all you have to do is get some vinegar, and we're gonna put it in a plastic bag and allow it to sit for a while. So we're gonna go ahead and work on that. So all I'm going to do is put some pure vinegar that I got from the Dollar Tree. This is a cleaning vinegar, so it's a little bit more stronger than your normal vinegar that you use for cooking. So I'm going to use that and put it in a bag, and I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to scrub it off and scrub all the calcium that I can, and then I'm going to rinse it, and I'm going to do the same thing with my shower. If you're returning, thank you so much, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Jacqueline, and I'm so glad you decided to check out my channel. I like to do contents of cleaning, organization, decluttering, and I also do some recipes with a plant-based in mind. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below letting me know that you're here watching and that you're new, so we could get to know each other. So right here, I'm going to be pouring some vinegar into my coffee maker. The vinegar is going to help break up any of the oils and gunk that has been built up in there. And then I'm going to fill it up with water. I'm going to allow it to run through one time. And then I'm going to end up wiping out my coffee maker and also wipe out my coffee pot and the filter area. After I wipe down everything, I'm going to fill it back up and rinse it out. To run this a couple of times through with just clean water, just to get all the vinegar out of it. And like you could see, the some grounds were still on the bottom of it, and usually I'll just run it until it goes clear. So that's how I clean my coffee pots. I had done my dishwasher cleaning once before in a video, and it was the kitchen dirty dozen. If you haven't seen that, I'm gonna leave a link above, so click on that and you will see me scrubbing out my dishwasher a lot better. I have some sea salt and some lemons. I'm going to be going with the grain of my cutting board, and the sea salt and lemons help cut any odor, and it also sanitizes your cutting boards. You could do this on wooden bowls, you could do it on your wooden utensils also. And now I'm going to be wiping it down And then after this, I'm going to dry it, and I'm going to use this cutting board oil that I had gotten at Home Depot. I believe it was like $10. It might be less, guys. I'm not 100% sure how much I paid for it. But this also keeps your cutting boards looking nicer, and it helps seal them and not dry out. You can use these on your wooden bowls, utensils also. I don't have a water dispenser or ice dispenser on my refrigerator, so I'm cleaning my water tank here. And if you guys have that, you could just clean yours. I want to say thank you so much for joining with me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you again, Dawn, for giving me the suggestion of what to clean.